Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to handle right click and double click using Selenium and C#. Let's get started. In this example, we are going to use this web page. So here we have right click and double click functionality in this web page. So let's see how to handle this through Selenium C# script. Open Visual Studio. First we need to launch the web browser. iWebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Then open the web page driver.navigate.go to URL. Here we need to copy the web page URL. Copy this URL and paste here. Now we need to identify the web element. So first let's identify the right click button. So this is the right click button. So we will not be directly right click from here because it will show the menus in the right click. So let's right click somewhere here and go to inspect, or click this icon and identify the web element. So here this is the web element. So here we don't have ID or name. So let's identify the XPath. Right click from here, go to copy and copy the XPath. Now write the script as driver.find element by.xpath, open bracket, insert double quotes, paste the XPath value and replace these double quotes with a single quote. Then put a semicolon here and assign this to a web element. iWebElement. Here we can give a name. We can give the name as right click button. Now we need to see how to use the right click functionality through the script. So in our previous video we have seen drag and drop example using the actions class. So here also for right click and double click we need to use the actions class. So let's write the class actions. We can give any name. We can give the name as button click equal to new actions of driver. Now copy this variable button click dot. So for right click, in C# we have a method called context click. So context click of, here we need to copy this variable name, this web element, right click button, and then to perform the action we have a perform function dot perform. Now let's run the script. .NET run. Now the web page is opened and the right click is done through the script. Now let's see how to do the double click through the script. First let's identify the web element. So right click from here and go to inspect, and this is our web element. Here also copy the XPath, go to copy XPath and go back to your script and write driver.find element by.xpath, open bracket, insert double quotes, paste the XPath value and replace this double quotes with a single quote. Here put a semicolon and assign this to a web element. iWebElement. Here give the name as double click button. Now copy the action class variable button click dot. So to double click we have a function called double click in Selenium. Double click of. So we need to copy this web element variable name. and then perform the action dot perform. Now let's run the script. Now I am commanding the actions of right click and I am running this double click action. Now the double click is also done through the script. Let me explain the script again. So first we are launching the web browser, then open the web page, then identify the right click element, then we are creating an actions class, then using that actions class we are using this context click function and we are right click the button, then we are identifying the double click button element, and then using the same action class and using the double click class we are double clicking on the element. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoTech. Thank you.